Hey there, dog lovers and rescue enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some of the best dog breeds for search and rescue operations. From the powerful Bloodhound to the intelligent German Shepherd, these dogs have proven themselves to be invaluable members of search and rescue teams. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the top 5 dog breeds for search and rescue work. Number 1. Bloodhound. Starting off our list, we have the incredible Bloodhound. Known for their remarkable sense of smell, Bloodhounds are often used in tracking missing persons or fugitives. Their extraordinary olfactory abilities can follow a scent for miles, making them an ideal choice for search and rescue missions in various terrains. Not only are they skilled trackers, but Bloodhounds are also friendly and patient, which makes them excellent companions during high-stress situations. Number 2. German Shepherd. Next up, we have the versatile German Shepherd. As one of the most popular breeds for search and rescue, these dogs are highly intelligent, strong, and agile. German Shepherds are often used in a variety of operations, from urban search and rescue to wilderness tracking. Their keen sense of smell and powerful physical abilities make them perfect for locating lost individuals, even in the most challenging conditions. Number 3. Labrador Retriever. The Labrador Retriever is another excellent breed for search and rescue work. Known for their friendly demeanor and incredible endurance, Labradors are often used in water-based missions, such as searching for drowning victims or assisting in water rescues. Their strong swimming skills, combined with their high energy levels, make them an ideal choice for these types of operations. Additionally, Labradors are known for their adaptability, allowing them to work well in both urban and wilderness environments. Number 4. Belgian Malinois. The Belgian Malinois is a breed that has gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. These dogs are incredibly agile, intelligent, and have a strong work ethic. They excel in search and rescue missions, especially those that involve tracking and apprehending suspects. Their compact size and athleticism allow them to navigate difficult terrain with ease, making them a valuable asset in any search and rescue team. Number 5. Border Collie. Last but certainly not least, we have the intelligent and agile Border Collie. These dogs are known for their herding abilities and their incredible capacity for learning new tasks quickly. Border Collies have been used in search and rescue operations for years, excelling in tasks such as locating victims trapped under debris or in collapsed structures. Their high energy levels and keen problem-solving skills make them an ideal choice for a variety of search and rescue missions. And there you have it. These are our top 5 dog breeds for search and rescue work. From the powerful Bloodhound to the intelligent German Shepherd, these amazing dogs have proven to be invaluable members of search and rescue teams around the world. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content about our furry friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.